Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a high quality profile picture within one click. If your profile picture will good looking, then you will get more followers and buyers. So no more talks, let's get started. Profile picture is important if you want to grow your social media profile or if you want to generate client from your social media. So if you want to use high quality professional looking social media, you can follow these few steps. Number 1, use a clear and high quality image. Number 2, show your face with natural smile. Number 3, dress appropriately. Number 4, great background. And number 5, avoid filters and exclusive edits. When your photo is ready, then you need to edit that. And if you can't edit that, you need to hire someone from Upwork and Fiverr. And of course, you need to spend hundreds of dollars for that. But don't worry. Now I am going to show you one useful tools will help you to edit your profile picture within one click. So let's do that. Open your internet browser and type profile picture maker. And then you will find this URL, which is free profile picture maker and which is pfpmaker.com, and I will give this link on this video description. So if you want, you can pick this from there. And you can see you don't need to make profile, you don't need to sign up or etc. Just you need to upload your profile picture here. So simply click on upload photo and then select the profile picture from your computer. So for example, I want to use my photo, which is this one, and uploading. And when it's uploaded, and you can see generating profile pictures, and within few seconds it will show me a few. Here it is, how look like this. So I believe it's so professional and so useful. So if you want, you can pick this up. So this actually come from their template, but if you want, you can generate by your own color. So for example, you can edit everyone by separately. For example, you want to use this one and you want to change this background color. Just you need to go to the background and then you can change the color. And not only that, you can use your specific color code, and so you can use the gradient color and you will see the preview on the right hand side. So it's pretty useful. Most of the time I use these tools for my own profile picture maker. So if you want, you can use it. And now when your edit is ready, you can download it by clicking this link, and you can see it's already downloaded, and now it's showing in my computer and it's looking good and looking professional and high quality. And that's all how you can make a professional looking profile picture within few seconds. And if you found this video was useful, then hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more video from me, then consider subscribing to this channel. My name is Nasim and I will see you on the next video. Till then, bye. Have a good day.